Good morning, family. Right, good morning, family. Hope everybody is well. Gold is up again. We finally reached the 4,000 mark. Man, my energy levels are low this morning. Very, very low. But yeah, let's start off with prayer and let's do some work. Father, in the name of Jesus, Lord, thank you for your grace. Thank you for your mercy. Your grace and mercy, they are, and mercies are new every morning. We honor you. We say that you deserve all the glory, all the praise, all the power. You are a magnificent God. You are a God that cannot go against his word. We are praying and asking that today, as we indulge in these markets, you are going to give us guidance, supernatural intelligence, that all our five senses will be at work, and we are going to approach these markets with caution, knowing that you are God and we have the ability to navigate through them because you giving us the ability to do so as our God. We are asking this in the name of Jesus Christ, and may the chopper say amen. Good morning, family. Good morning, family. My energy levels are low this morning, man. So low this morning. I don't know why. Right, let's do some work, guys. What are you trading this morning? Let's mark the register. First man is in the house. Samuel is in the house. Eugene is saying, good morning, Mr. President, the choppers. We are here to strategize with fellow traders. Indeed, my friend. Secretary General is also in the house. Beggy Kunan is saying, happy Wednesday, choppers. Samuel is saying, gold up again. Yeah, correction is to be expected first before it may it may go to my next target. Man, you are sitting nicely there somewhere. Good morning, Mr. President. The choppers, that's Carlo there. Bravo Tao is in the house. Andrew is in the house. The Light is in the house. Tudi is saying, good morning, choppers, and please don't forget to like the stream. Indeed, please do so. Informative channel is in the house. Tabo Koali is in the house. Peter is also in the house. Yeah, tips are Dumela to you too, my friend. What's up? Hope you are well. Let's do some work, guys. Let's do some work. All right, British Pound USD. We spoke about $1.34 on Monday. We did say that again, guys. We're gonna say api amanga wa way too, right? Break, retest, sucker trade. Don't sell there. You're gonna be trapped. Go a bit to the upside and go to the downside. This is how you could have approached this. Though you had a retracement at 618, not 786, but the sentiment is still the same, right? You said look for sell short positions around $1.3421, then you can go to the downside. So today, what is it that we are going to do? I think this thing, man, we're just going to see a continuation of the strength coming in from the dollar. That's what I see on this one. I will see how I can climb this. Already British Pound USD down by 0.19%, trading in $1.3389. Yeah, but I'm closely observing this, man. We are just below $1.34 now at $1.33. Strength coming in there, so I think you don't wanna at this point you don't want to be messing with the dollar, right? So we just need to be cautious there, family. Euro dollar also to the downside, so we did mention that at least the break below $1.16 or so. This is where it was, $1.16, break below $1.16, 83, 16 cents, 54. And we can simply go to the downside after we are below this level. So also down by 0.39%. Man, I don't know, but I'm just having this analytical mindset that the strength might just, we might see that drastic drop, like not even correction or anything. No ABC patterns, just dropping. That's how I see this dollar today. Right, gold trading at 4,032. Right, man, this gold It's causing a lot of headache. What's going on with gold, guys? I told you on Monday, I don't want to mess with this thing, man. I don't want to mess with this thing, man. I told you, I don't want to mess with this thing. I don't want to mess with gold. We had this level that you can look for sell short if you're below this POC level at 3950, which was also a psychological level. So we had 3950 also at around VWAP. They didn't even think of doing that, just tapped it, went to the upside. This thing is extremely bullish, man. I don't know. Do I have people here on the chat that are saying we are still holding our gold? If you're still holding your gold portfolio there, please let me know there in the comment section. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. I'm not gonna mess around with this thing. Right, WTI. Oh, by the way, guys, I've got some annoying news, man. I had two boring trades yesterday. Boring trades. But yeah, I'll share them with you guys. Right. WTI. So WTI is giving me a headache, guys. I gotta say, this WTI. To be honest with you, my two favorites have been just giving me a headache. If I'm being honest, they've just been giving me a headache. So you know how we trade here at home, right? Break, retest, sucker trade. You look for your buys there, and that's when you're gonna get your drop. So I've been trying to get some scalps on this, man, and somehow I can't. I don't know why, but I don't know, guys. But if I break below VWAP, I'm actually taking sell short positions, man. I'm anticipating $59 per barrel there to the downside, man, on WTI. That's how I see it. If I drop, let me go down. If I drop, let me go down. That's how I see it. That's how I see it. That's how I see it. NAS 100 on Monday during the stream. I told you guys NAS 100 we might try to see if we can reload at this level. I actually drew this for you guys when price was around this level here, that you retest 24,870 or so, 24,900 or so. Try to go to the upside. It did exactly that. Now we had an accelerative move yesterday, closing below VWAP at 25,000. They reached 25,000. So yeah, yesterday we reached 25,000. So that's my take on NAS today. This is what I'm gonna be waiting for, and simply look for sell short positions. US 30. So US 30, I was anticipating that we might get a retest. Let me see, Monday. I was thinking we might get a retest there and go to the upside, but as you see, this thing just decided to move to the downside before it did anything. So this is what I'm anticipating, man, and this is what I'm looking for. Can only buy this thing is if I'm above 46,750, and obviously look for sell short positions below this level here. So again, I'm not entertaining this until I break below, then I can drop. German. As you've seen on Monday, I sent you this on the group. My buy was on Monday here. It closed above VWAP. Smash TP, man, almost immediately. almost immediately. This was on Monday. By the way, if you attended the live stream on Monday, let's do a recap. A lot of y'all were asking me where am I gonna be buying this thing, right? And if I'm not gonna be selling it, I told you this for me is a trap. It looks like a trap, and I'm not gonna fall for it. This was Monday during the stream. I'm not gonna fall for this. I know some of you were saying maybe we should come in there and go to the downside, and I told you I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in a close above view up. There it is. This is what I spoke about on Monday. There it is, close above there. You take your trade in 30 minutes, you hit your TP, 1:2 risk reward ratio. You're done, man. Smiling all the way to the bank. I sent this on the group, by the way. Yesterday I got, I think it was greed, man. It was greed. At around this level here, I took my sell short position, and I was just aiming for 1:3 to the previous low that I had here. I think it was just greed, man. Put my stop loss on break even. Look at what happened. Stopped me out on break even. Quite sad. Quite sad. So today is a new day, Mr. President. What is it that we are doing? Let's also bear in mind that this thing is extremely correcting, guys. We need to also bear that in mind. This thing is extremely correcting. However, I'm going to be bearish today. I'm going to be bearish there on German. Let me know if you're going to join me on this. I did ask you on Monday. Let me know if you're going to join me on the buy on German 40. Most of you said you're going to join me on buy. I hope you took that buy with me. So today I'm going to be taking sell short positions here. Let me know if you're going to join me. Let's look at USD Japanese. Sure. The only thing I like here is that I'm glad we are out of this junk here. This way, pump and dump movement, man. Pumping to the upside, dumping to the downside, pumping again to the upside. I'm glad that we are above that level. For me, to be honest with you, I can only look for places of reloading this thing. To be honest with you, I can look for places where I can reload this thing. That's how I see Japanese pairs. Let's look at EU, EJ rather. Broke, retested. There's another one here. Are we buying there? Wait for something like this. Reload to the upside. Take your fee from here to there. There's your 786. Go to the upside. Just gonna keep it simple like that. I'm just going to keep it simple like that. What are you trading there, family? Oh, by the way, I'm looking for sell short positions on Bitcoin. I think this might be a price peak. I think we might have a price peak there. I'm just looking for a certain price where we can... You know, it's always easy to buy Bitcoin, reload at certain prices. But when you're selling, man, it becomes a bit complicated, eh? I'm going to mark 122,500. Then try to see if I can go to the downside. Remember, we bought at 113,000. Now we're trading at 121. Maybe 122. I can try to see if I can go to the downside. That's my take on Bitcoin. Let's see this German. USD CAD. This is a concern, man. This is a serious concern. For me, it looks like there's a lot of things going on there. There's a whole lot of things going on there, and you know how I don't like such. I don't like this. I also don't like this. Never want to see myself trading a market like this. But what I can say is, if you want to go up, wait to see if you can break above. Something like this. A break-in retesting, this is a sucker trade. Don't buy it there. Rather buy it at the discounted $1, Canadian dollar 39 cents. Just monitoring my German there, man. I want to get a trade. What are you guys trading today? Euro New Zealand buy at 2005. Gold gave me a lot this morning, so I'm not taking any trades today. Well done, my friend. Well done. Eugene is saying, I think I'm ready to study WTR, Mr. Prez. It's calling my name. Please do so, my friend. This thing, if you treat it right, it will treat you right as well. I am still with the Octa. By the way, on the 30th of October, there is an Octa seminar in Sentin. Remember, guys, I think the advert will start coming out from today. I am still with Octa, guys. So I'll be a speaker at their event the 30th of October. I think maybe if you check on the Octa app, the advert should be there. And then tomorrow we have a webinar also on Octa Stellar Group. If you go on Telegram, there's a Octa Stellar trading Telegram group. Mushima and I tomorrow are going to be hosting a live stream on their platform at 7 p.m. After that, we're gonna have our own webinar on Zoom. Trump's tariff court case is also this month. No, I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's ask the AI. Chaba AI, good morning. What's going on?
Hey there. Not too much. Just here and ready to help. How about you? How's your day going so far?
No, it's a blessed morning. I'm with my family here. We're trying to make $1 out of cents.
That sounds awesome. It's always great to spend time with family and get creative together. I hope you all have a fun and productive time. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help out.
We are trading. We are on the live stream. We are trading. When is Trump's tariffs court case, by the way?
I'm not aware of any specific terrorist-related court cases involving Donald Trump. However, there was an assassination attempt on him in September 2024, and the trial for the suspect started in September 2025, with sentencing set for December 2025. Let me know if you need more details.
Okay, gold finally hit 4,000. What's your take on that? $4,000 an ounce, man. That's crazy. What do you think?
Yeah, hitting $4,000 for gold is definitely a big milestone. It reflects a lot of factors like economic uncertainty, inflation hedging, and global geopolitical tensions. It definitely makes for interesting trading dynamics and could impact portfolios in a big way. It'll be interesting to see how it plays out going forward.
If you were to reload, what would your price be to reload, or you would simply stand on the side during a time like this?
That's a great question. Honestly, it depends on the overall market conditions and the strategy. If gold is hitting record highs, I might consider taking some profits or at least hedging to manage risk. On the other hand, if there's strong fundamental support and a good long-term outlook, I might consider adding more. It definitely calls for careful analysis and a balanced approach.
Would you say then taking profit at 4,000 would be a wise thing, or maybe taking some of the profits at 4,000?
Yeah, definitely. Taking some profits at such a psychological milestone can be a smart move. It helps lock in gains and manage risk, especially if you think there might be some pullbacks or corrections. You can always keep a portion of your position to benefit from any further upside. So it's all about balancing that risk and reward.
I'm kind of struggling with WTI at the moment. I want some sell-short positions. I'm a bit conflicted, I'll be honest with you, because since Friday we were consolidating between $61 and $60. Right, so we are now just above $61, but still, for me, I think that might be a trap zone where we can potentially fall within the consolidation levels of 61 and 60. What's your take, WTI?
Yeah, WTI can definitely be tricky, especially with that consolidation zone. Being just above $61 could indeed be a bit of a trap, as you said, and there's always that risk of a pullback back into the $60 range. It might be worth keeping an eye on volume and any news that could influence supply and demand. If it breaks above that $61 level with strong momentum, that could indicate a bullish signal, but if it struggles, it's definitely wise to stay cautious. So keeping a close watch and having a clear stop loss could help manage that uncertainty.
You've mentioned a hedge against inflation and political uncertainty. How would your approach be when it comes to indices, especially Nasdaq?
Yeah, with indices like the NASDAQ, the approach usually blends both technical and fundamental analysis. When there's inflationary pressure or political uncertainty, you might see volatility in tech-heavy indices because they're sensitive to interest rates and economic shifts. In those cases, you might consider diversifying across sectors or even looking at defensive stocks or commodities. You could also use option strategies to hedge risk, like buying puts or using spreads. It's all about being adaptable and keeping an eye on the macroeconomic indicators and market sentiment.
Family, what are you trading? What is it that you are looking at? Gold just made a new high. Gold just made a new high. Gold has just made a new high. Not even, Robza. Not even, my friend. I'm just... Not even, my friend. I promise you. Do you guys journal your feelings? I know it sounds crazy, but do you guys normally like journal your feelings, like write down how you are feeling and what you? I'm busy writing down here my mood for the day, man. Trading is stressful, man. Trading is just stressful. No lie. Well, first man will be consulting with the AI today with regards to FOMC. Someone is saying FOMC will shake up things a bit since there was no US labor data. Should we stream it? Should we stream FOMC? Musa is saying I do journal my feelings. I have a trading journal and a personal journal. It's part of my morning daily discipline routine. Tumelo is saying no, I haven't thought of journaling my feelings, but I do journal my trades. Mr. President, I have 2 manual books, journal mistakes on one, learning, and good trades on the other, and how I felt in the center of time. I think that's also a smart way of doing it. That's also a smart way of doing this. I think that's also a smart way of doing it. FX Slick is saying, what's your take on the recent move on gold prices and its correlation with the US dollar? Do you think its correlation is broken now, or is gold just being driven by US political dynamics? Hedge against currency, currency devaluation, economic instability, my friend. I think this is a pure hedge against inflation as well. It's now, I think someone also said it, like even the Feds, I think they are basing most of their attention on gold now. I think it's just a matter of everybody's like, look, man, we don't want anything to do with the dollar at the moment. And the only thing we can think of, maybe then continue to pile up some money on safe haven asset. I mean, we are seeing with gold, we are seeing also with some crypto portfolios there. Bitcoin also was appreciative during this time. But look, for me, man, I enjoy times like this. During a uncertainty, there's a lot of money to be made, there's a lot of money to be lost, but those that are cautious, they will definitely protect themselves if they are wrong. So FX clicks, I think it's a pure hedge, my friend. S&P 500, yeah, man, I don't mind. S&P 500, and I've been saying this, guys. Lately, I was talking about try to get another one. Price peak for me in a double bottom, double top, retest trap. That's my take on it, my friend. That's my take on it. But as long as we are still above this, just be careful there. This thing can simply do something like this and make a new high. I'm just assuming that if this is a price peak. Let me go back to my German. Don't fall for this. Don't fall for this. I repeat, don't fall for this. Like I said on Monday, don't fall for this. Don't fall for this. Don't fall for what you see there now. This might be a false move. I think gold is just giving us an idea that, guys, like I always say, you know, many people come on the stream, you trade in different strategies, you have different approaches, and some of you don't have stop losses, some of you do, some of you, instead of using a stop loss, you hedge. All right, but think about it. Like, think about it. I just want to show you something. Imagine if you were wrong here in August. Look at this. I want to show you this. This thing when it was trading at 3,443. Imagine if you were wrong here, my friend. Here. You're looking at this and you're like, okay, I'm selling. Imagine if you were wrong here. What was going to happen? This is 4 hours, by the way. Look at 1 hour. Imagine if you are wrong here and you don't have a stop loss. Oh. Imagine, look at that. Stop loss doesn't make you a fool, it makes you wise. You'll be crying, man. We are just above 24,800 now. I think we could be ready for a close below. Then we can go down on Nasdaq. Any close below, we could go down on Nasdaq. FOMC meeting today. What's your take? Chopper AI.
I'm here if there's anything else you'd like to dive into, or any other questions on your mind, just let me know.
FOMC today, what's your take?
Got it. So today's FOMC update is all about the minutes from their September meeting, and investors are definitely watching closely to gauge the Fed's outlook on interest rates and inflation. That could definitely impact the US dollar and bring some volatility to the markets. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on.
But your personal take on it. How would you position yourself at this point? What do you think the outcome will be?
I'd say that given the current economic landscape, the Fed might lean towards a cautious stance, maybe holding rates steady or signaling a more data-dependent approach. So I'd likely stay somewhat conservative, keeping an eye on any dovish or hawkish language in the statement. If there's any hint of tightening, I might lean towards more defensive positions, and if they're more dovish, it could mean a bit more risk-on sentiment. Overall, it's about staying flexible and being prepared to adjust as new information comes in.
I think GU has something there. I think GU has something there. Let's try to break it down. I might wanna scalp it like so. 30 pips or so. Scalp it to the upside. In and out. This is what I might do on GU. Can we like the stream, family? One can ask, Mr. President, let's scalp this gold, sell it. I told you that when I was a young man, these are the things I used to do. Exactly where gold is at right now. Back then I would sell it. 5 minutes scalp. Yeah, Theo, that's true, my friend. Musa is aiming for 1:8, my friend. Don't you think? Well, let me not say anything. But I like your God. Big balls there. I gotta say, big balls, my friend. Theo, I was a micro president. Alright, so let me see. Now it seems like I'm below my view up on WT. I am closely monitoring this levels, man. I'm gonna sell this thing without a doubt. I'm gonna sell this thing. Guys, if you're using a broker that is quite expensive on WTI, please don't follow me just because I'm taking WTI. If spread is a bit high, don't take it. Don't do that to yourself. Do not. Let's see, German, what's going on German? Nothing much. Gold is still moving, man. This thing is waiting for no man. Theo, 4.5 years, my friend. 4.5, but the other year, 5th year, still 6th year, it's not like it was profitable, just breaking even and not really, you're not losing, you're not making money. I made a lot of mistakes, my friend. That German ain't interested in my sell shorts. Ain't interested. Tell you what, if I am above this level now, I'm done. I'm going for buy orders. Nasdaq as well, above view up. All of them, they're above view up. All of them, they're above view up. Should we then say this was a false move in the morning here? View up settings, they are on session. Guys, please don't make a mistake of putting a... It depends. If you want to put a... My view up settings are quite simple, guys. If you go on style, upper band, lower band, band fill, and click all of them. Because if you have all of them clicked, you see it's a messy thing. It's a messy chart. And I don't use that to read this thing. I just have it there on view up. That's the only thing I have there. Right? And then when it comes to input, I put it on session because I'm scalping. I'm a day trader. So I put it on session. I don't put it on weekly. There you go, gold. When I was a young man, this is the trades I used to take. Risk reward 1:1. Didn't play like that. So when I was a young man, I would have been out here. 1:1. 1:1. Look, Theo, man, I had no choice, man. I remember when I finished with school, you have people that you went to varsity with, man. These guys are having good jobs and they doing better in life, man. And you are sitting on this thing called trading and it's doing nothing for you. And you look at how many years we invested in this thing. I couldn't have allowed myself to quit, man. Like waste all the years that I've been putting in this thing. I couldn't have done that. There was nothing else I could have done. And I think it's just the love of the charts, man. The love of doing a business that is so uncertain on a daily basis. I don't like boring stuff. I get bored easily, so at least trading it's alive, man. Every day new challenges, new dynamics. So some other careers are boring, man. So that's why I couldn't quit, because this is the only business that was making sense. You know, aligning with my energy. I hated just sitting with clients in the bank, man. Like I really hated that. And I hated targets. Like I really hated those things. I really hated that with all I have. Like I really hated just sitting with clients and discussing big figures, and here you are, you know, man, you are not in a good space. I just hated that whole thing. Especially targets. I hated targets. Yeah. And remember, I worked in a bank while I was studying, man. It was not easy. It was not easy. When I did my bachelor's, I was working, like doing two things. And I was also studying for my theology PhD, theology diploma. So studying bachelor's, studying theology, and working at the same time. It was just a horrible experience, man. Right, my close below, guys. I'm in here. I'm in here. The only way for me to catch this thing is something like this, around my view up level. I think I'm gonna be realistic with myself. Those sell shots, I don't think they're gonna come. This thing's already up by 0.38%. I'm just being realistic with myself. But maybe then WTI, I can grab something there to the downside. That's my take. Family, can we please like the stream? British pound, it's gone. Remember I said you didn't have a discount there. It's already gone. But what I like is this volatility, man. I think that's what I'm enjoying from this session. There is volatility you can take advantage of. WTI at 10.15, it closes like this. I'm taking a sell short position. If I take a sell short from here, I'm gonna put my stops just above this key level here, and put my TP around this area here. Quite steep, but I think I'm gonna have to try to lower my stops so I can aim for 1:2. That's what I'm gonna do on this one. But remember, let close below view up and let price close below that view up. One thing I've seen most of you guys do is you just buy and sell any close above, close below view up. You do that, and that's dangerous. That's not how view up works. That's not how it works. There's a candlestick pattern you need to wait for. You don't just take it. There's a candlestick pattern you need to wait for. All right, family, my 90 minutes is up. See you guys on the group. See you guys on the group. And tomorrow we're having a webinar at 8:15. And then we're having a live trading session with Ms. Gama on the Octa Stellar Trading Telegram group at 7 p.m. So again, it's going to be a very busy week, family. From my president, I'm out.